Everyone, and welcome to today's video. This is a beginning level phonics lesson. Today we're going to be working with the sounds WH, PH, NG, and NK. Alright, but first we'll review the sounds that you've already learned. So go ahead and try these on your own and then restart the video to listen and check.
V, sh, ch, all, o, k.
Alright, now listen and write down the sounds in the order that you hear them.
O, v, sh, all, ch, k, f, o.
Right, I'll play it again and this time mark down the correct answers.
O, v, sh, all, ch, k, f, o.
Alright, now practice sounding out these words, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
Sh, ah, p, shop, v, I, s, this, v, e, m, them, w, I, th, with, ch, I, p, chip, I, ch, rich.
Alright, now we'll learn some new sounds. This is the WH sound, so listen and repeat.
W, 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 whistle, w, e, n, when,
Now practice sounding out these words, and then when you're ready to check the answers, you can restart the video to listen.
w, e, n, when, w, I, m, whim, w, I, p, whip, w, I, ch, which.
Alright, now we're going to listen to the PH sound, so listen and repeat.
F, 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 phone, f, I, o, fill, g, a, f, graph,
Right, now practice sounding out these words and then restart the video when you're ready to listen and check.
s, t, e, f, Steph, a, o, f, Ralph,
And here is the NG sound, so listen and repeat.
mm, 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 sing, s, I, sing,
Now practice sounding out these words and then restart the video when you're ready to check your answers.
a, mm, hang, o, a, mm, long, b, I, bring, w, I, wing,
And here's the NK sound, so listen and repeat.
ink, 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 bank, b, a, ink, bank,
And now practice sounding out these words and restart the video when you're ready to listen and check.
s, I, ink, sink, s, a, ink, sank, o, I, ink, link, f, a, ink, frank,
Right, now practice sounding out these words and restart the video to listen and check.
I, ink, pink, d, I, ink, drink, f, I, ink, thing, s, t, I, ink, stink, I, ring, f, I, o, fill,
All right, now practice sounding out these words, and again, when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
t, a, ink, trunk, I, ng, sing, s, ah, ng, song, ah, o, ah, ng, along, w, I, sk, whisk, s, w, I, ng, swing.
All right, this time, listen and write down the words you hear, and then I'll play it a second time and fill in the correct answers.
Thing, long, drink, frank, stink, think, thing, long, drink, frank, stink, think.
All right, now practice the sight words.
She, what, there, where, along, have.
All right, now you'll practice reading some sentences. So practice on your own, then restart the video to check.
Frank has a pink drink. What is in there? That thing stinks. Where is the ring? This is a whisk.
All right, now we're going to read the story about Phil and Steph. So you can try reading on your own and then restart the video to listen.
Phil sits on a swing and sings a song. Steph sits next to him and sings along. She thinks the song is long. Phil and Steph stop to have a drink.
Right, now practice reading the whole story and then you can restart the video when you're ready to listen again.
Phil sits on a swing and sings a song. Steph sits next to him and sings along. The song is long. Phil and Steph stop to have a drink.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.